Welcome to our YouTube channel. Step-by-step guide to import Outlook PST files into Roundcube Webmail. Outlook PST files cannot be imported directly into Roundcube Webmail. First, open the PST file in Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Export PST emails to IMAP format by adding your cPanel email account to Outlook via IMAP. Drag and drop emails, folders from the PST file into the IMAP mailbox in Outlook. Allow time for email synchronization with the cPanel mail server. Log into cPanel Webmail Roundcube to verify imported emails. Check that folders, attachments, and timestamps are intact. Remove the Outlook account after successful migration. This method ensures a safe, reliable, and loss-free PST to Roundcube migration. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.